Hello everyone, let's make this slide today. First insert an image, then insert a rectangle and cover full page. And make it no outline. Then insert a text box and write a letter. Then change the font size, font style and alignment. Now select rectangle, then text box, then go to shape format and then subtract it. Then go to format shapes. Fill it with gradient fill. Fill all strips with black color. And then change the transparency level as shown on the screen. And add your content. Make as many slides as you want. Select all slides with a transition tab and select push effect. Make it from right. And here you go, subscribe our channel for more videos.